Day 3 of your 30-day momentum roadmap for building an online business from scratch. So, your I'm in business brand story. Connection equals currency. Works for any online business, whether it's wealth, health, relationships, whatever. But I'm going to mostly use these examples of wealth, health, and relationships because those are the three main industries, the main businesses, and the biggest problems that people are dealing with. People are dealing with wealth problems. They have a lack of money. People are dealing with health problems. They have a lack of energy, or they want to lose weight. And people have relationships problems. They have, they want to improve the quality of their relationships. So we're going to focus on these three areas, but you could use whatever you're going to learn here, you can use for any business. Okay. So every online business lives in one of these three spaces. Which niche are you in? Okay. Your brand story works the same way regardless of your niche, whatever you want to say. These are the three biggest markets online: wealth, health, and relationships. So the examples of the wealth industry could be digital marketing, MRR, master resale rights, monthly recurring income, passive income, investing, trading, real estate, side hustles, and freelancing, things like this. So the pain is, why do people get into this industry? Why are people searching for ways to make money online? Because they're dealing with pain. What kind of pain? They're burnt out, they're underpaid, they're overworked. They're stuck in the 9 to 5. They've tried making money online, but they failed before. Okay. Now, the health industry examples can be weight loss and fitness, nutrition and wellness, mental health coaching, yoga and meditation, hormone health. The pain is tired, overweight, low energy, tried every diet, no results. Okay. The relationships industry examples: dating and confidence, marriage and family coaching, parenting strategies, communication skills, self worth and identity. The pain, lonely, disconnected, repeating patterns, low self-esteem. Okay. So you got to decide, you got to figure out which industry are you in, or which industry do you want to be a part of? Okay. So now your brand story framework: pain, pivot, path, possibility. A 4-part framework that makes your story real, emotional, and magnetic for any niche, any business. Okay, so number one is the pain. It's your relatable struggle. It's a struggle that you've dealt with and other people are also dealing with. I can guarantee you, like, if you're dealing with some kind of pain, there's somebody else on the planet that's dealing with the same kind of pain. Lack of money, a lot of people have a lack of money. Poor health, a lot of people have poor health. Poor relationships, a lot of people have poor relationships. Okay. So the pain is the relatable struggle: financial stress, burnout, health struggles, bad relationships, feeling stuck. Share the feeling your perfect customer wakes up with every day. Okay. So when you're marketing, you want to hit that pain. You want to connect with that pain. Okay. And also when you're sharing your story, share your pain. Okay. So from pain to pivot, the moment you decided, the turning point when you said enough is enough, when you stopped accepting the situation and started looking for a way out. Okay. Now, this is what you're going to share in your story. Okay. This is your brand story. And path is the first step you took: learning a skill, buying a course, joining a community, finding a coach, following a proven system. You took action. And the possibility: what's now possible, what you're building and excited about, what's opening up. This is your invitation for others to follow the journey. So, for example, my pain: why did I start my online business? Well, I had pain. What was my pain? My company cut my pay, and I decided I didn't want to get another job. I was overworked, I was underpaid, I had all these restrictions from my job. I wanted, like, what do I want to do? I want to travel the world and live a life of freedom. I couldn't do that at my job. Okay. There was no way I was ever going to become wealthy or rich from my job. That was my pain. And my pivot was when I said, okay, this is enough of this. I don't want to get another job. I got to figure out how to make money online. I got to search for some kind of side hustle that can teach me how to make money so I can become wealthy. My path: what is the path that I took? I purchased a program. Okay. I purchased a digital marketing program with an online business attached to it. Okay. And then I joined a community where I get mentored and coached from 6 and 7 figure income earners. Okay. And what's my and the possibility now? Now I see the potential of making money online. I see the potential of making 6 and 7 figures, and I have that hope and I see the light. Okay. Not only have I made, thousands of dollars online, multiple 5 figures with my business, I've seen other people make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures, even multiple 7 figures. And I see the possibility. Okay. And now I have hope. Whereas at a job, I had no hope. I was hopeless. Okay. So you got to share your story. Okay. Share your story: pain, pivot, path, possibility. I'm just giving you an example of my story. So real examples of the framework in action: wealth, pain. Okay, listen to this. I was exhausted working 50 hours a week and still living paycheck to paycheck. This can be your story, for example, okay? The pivot. I knew I couldn't keep trading my time for money and missing out on my life. Okay, the path. I found a step-by-step blueprint for building automated income online. The possibility. I'm just getting started, but I finally feel like I'm building something that's mine. Okay, that's your story, right? So let's do the health. Pain. I tried every diet and still felt exhausted, heavy, and embarrassed in my own skin. Now, this is what you can use in your content, whether it's your, so there's four types of content, whether you're doing videos, you're doing written content, you're doing audio content, or you're doing images, right? You can just use this framework and create content based on this story framework, storytelling marketing. People love stories. Okay, storytelling marketing has made people millions of dollars. Okay, so the health industry. I tried every diet and I still felt exhausted, heavy, and embarrassed in my own skin. Pivot. I stopped following everyone else's plan and decided to find what actually works for my body. Path. I connected with a coach and started a simple nutrition and movement system I could stick to. Possibility. I have more energy than I've had in years, and I'm excited to share what's working. Now, here's an example of the relationships. Relationships. Okay. Pain. I kept ending up in the same relationships and wondering what was wrong with me. Pivot. I realized the common factor was me, and I decided to invest in myself for once. Path. I started working on my confidence, communication, and self-worth from the inside out. Possibility. I feel like a completely different person, and I'm excited to help others do the same. Okay, you understand? This is how you do storytelling marketing in your content, right? Now, the mindset shift. You're not asking for a sale, you're inviting people to witness your journey. See, instead of trying to pitch people your whatever your product opportunity is, instead of trying to pitch them, okay, you're just sharing your story, you're taking people on the journey, okay? You're building that know, like, and trust. You're not asking for a sale, you're inviting people to witness your journey. That's how trust is built in any niche, okay? So from going, like, instead of trying to sell, you're inviting to witness. Instead of talking about features, you're talking about feelings. Instead of pitching a product, you're sharing your story. Instead of seeking a transaction, you're building a connection, and connection equals currency. You see the difference? You see the mindset shift? Now, a lot of people, they do the opposite. They're trying to sell. They're talking about the features. They're pitching the product. They're seeking the transaction, okay, instead of trying to build that connection, because people do business with those that they know, like, and trust, okay? So build your story. Write your brand story right now. No perfect story needed, just a true one. Speak from your heart, be real. People connect to your why more than your website, okay? So pain. What were you feeling before you started? Tired, stuck, frustrated, failing? Share that with people. Just be real, be honest. What made you decide to make a change? What was your turning point? Okay? Like for me, the pain was all the restrictions from my job. My company cut my pay. It was painful. Okay? And the turning point was just like I just realized I would never become wealthy from a job. I just knew that. I knew that in my heart. Like I had to figure out how to make money outside of a job if I want to live the life I truly want to live, which is a life of freedom. Okay, the path. What was the first step you took toward building your business? So my first step was, purchasing a program and joining a community. Okay, and possibility. What are you now excited about? What feels possible that didn't before? I'm excited about the fact that I could, potentially make 6 and 7 figures, millions of dollars. I understand the framework, I understand the blueprint. Now I just have to execute it. So I know I see the possibility. And not only have I made money, but I see the potential here. Okay. And then that's your story. Okay. Whether you're doing, like I said, audio, video, written, or images, you share that story. Okay. And then end with the CTA, call to action. Instead of saying, like, go to the link in my bio, which is fine, you can say follow my journey, or I'll be sharing what I'm learning daily. Make sure to follow me. So invite people to follow you on your journey. Okay. So here's your content hooks. Today's content hook ideas, right? When you're creating your content, okay? Your hook is the first like 3 seconds of your video, or the first line in your written content, the headline of your images, whatever, the audio, whatever, your first 3 seconds, 5 seconds of your audio. So let's do a beginner hook, frustration hook. I was tired of feeling stuck, so I decided to build something different. Now, people who are stuck, they're gonna resonate with that. Works for wealth, health, or relationship niche. Okay. Identity shift. I never thought I'd be a coach, entrepreneur, business owner, right? But here's what changed. Fill in with your niche. Okay. This is relevant to your niche, whatever your niche is. Okay. Purpose hook. This is why I'm building a business around my family, health, or future, right? Not running away from it. Adapt your niche's core desire. Okay. Those are beginner hooks that you can use. Now, advanced hook transformation. What I've learned since I started that I never expected to learn. That's a great one. Okay. Powerful in any niche. Okay. 30 days plus. Like after you've been building your business for 30 days. Okay. Paradigm shift. This one thing changed everything about how I approach my business, health, relationships. Fill in with your niche. Okay. Time and legacy. If I had known this sooner, I'd have more income, better health, stronger relationships by now. Universal across all three niches. Okay. Niches, whatever you want to say. Tomato, tomato. Okay. Now, your action step, day 3, go be real. Be yourself. Always speak from your heart, not pitchy. Write your pain, pivot, path, possibility story. Post it on your chosen platform. Drop the link in the community comments so we can check out your content and give you some feedback. Okay. And expect to win and play to win. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you on day 4. Thanks for watching.